So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate your entire WhatsApp conversation using the AI bot which I'm going to create using Pabbly Chatflow, and this is going to help you hire no staff and automate your entire WhatsApp conversation. I have created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow and we are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. After that, we are going to start creating this AI agent. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to write, "Hey, I want to know what sneakers are available." I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it is. So it says currently the available sneakers are the Airflex running sneakers. Here are some details. This is the price, size, color, material, feature, use case is daily running, gym casual wear. Delivery is 2-4 days and the warranty is 6 months manufacturer warranty. So I'm going to write another question. What are your return and exchange policy? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me this message. Here is a summary of our return and exchange policy. Return policy is within 7 days. Refund time is 5 to 7 business days. Exchange rules, we have the refund mode, non-returnable products like the skincare products, innerwear, and the clearance sale items cannot be returned. So this is the message which I have received on my inquiry. Now I'm going to write, recently I received a wrong product. Please help me with this. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it says, I'm sorry to hear that you received the wrong product. To assist you further, could you please provide your order ID? This will help us look into the issue and find a solution for you. Thank you. So this is the message which I have received and my queries are getting resolved. So we have created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, and now to learn how you can also create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create the AI agent or an AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow and automate all our WhatsApp conversation. For this, we simply need to visit Pabbly Chatflow and we need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. After browsing towards this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here I have landed towards this dashboard where I can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now to add your own WhatsApp number, you simply need to click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect and connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to connect your Pabbly Chatflow with your WhatsApp. Now over here on the left hand side where I can see all these options, I have inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, get help. So we have created a dedicated and detailed video on all of these features. The link of these videos are available in the description. So if you want, you can check that out. Now on the left hand side where we can see all these options, we are going to create AI agent or AI assistant to automate the WhatsApp conversation. So I'm going to open this AI assistant. Now here I have landed towards this AI assistant. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. These are the active AI assistant active on some chats. To create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this add AI assistant. So first I'm going to name this AI assistant as e-commerce bot, and then I'm simply going to click on this add AI assistant. Here I landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this AI agent. The first one is that we have this instructions. So in this instruction type, I'm going to select it as AI agent. As soon as I select the instruction type, you can see that instructions are updated. If I scroll down, you can see all the instructions. You can update these instructions according to your requirement. Then we have this AI configuration. So we have the first one as temperature. So it's written set how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if you go from 0 to 1, you are going to get more creative responses. So I'm going to select the temperature as 0.7. In the AI to use, I'm going to select it as OpenAI. The model will be GPT-4o mini. Then I'm going to enter my API key. Now if you want to get this API key, you have to follow the help desk given below. You have to click on this hyperlink and it will take you towards the API keys page. To create a new API key, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. First, you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test, the project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Now here, as I have already an existing connection, I've created this connection multiple times. So I'm going to keep the same API key and then I'm going to click on this connect. Please make sure that whenever you add your API key, you click on this connect. Otherwise, the connection will not be created. In the AI assistant setting, now if you want to provide the header message, you have to toggle this on, provide the header message, whatever you want. Same goes for this footer message. Then we have the stop keyword. So it is written enter keyword that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So here I'm going to write stop and then press enter. In this manner, you can add the keywords, and then if you want, you can add any other word like a keyword here. So if the user want to stop the replies of the AI assistant, they simply need to enter stop in their chat and the AI assistant will stop replying. In this retry attempt, if you want to increase the number of fallback retry attempt, you can increase that. I'm going to keep it as 1. So it is written specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. So you can do this. I'm going to keep it off. Then we have this fallback message. So if your API is not responding, it stops responding, then this fallback message will be sent. I'm going to send this fallback message. I'm here to assist with questions related to company information and support. What you can also do, you can add your contact details of the company so that whenever your AI agent is not able to reply to the customer queries, at least they can contact you. So you can enter that according to your requirement. Moving on towards the next step. Here we are done with this instruction part. We have this knowledge source. So here I'm going to select the knowledge source as upload file. I'm going to click on this cloud and then I have already downloaded the knowledge source, which I'm going to select and open it, and in this manner I have uploaded this file. Now over here I have entered all my company details, all my store details, all the products which I have, all the policies which I have, everything in a very detailed manner. I'm going to show you that once. So this is the knowledge source which I have created. Greeting and brand voice, product catalog and details, the foodware details, then the electronics, home and kitchen, beauty, order management, payment, return refunds and exchange, customer support, engagement and marketing, and then the troubleshooting and FAQs. So I have created a basic knowledge base and you can create more detailed knowledge base adding all the details of your product, and then your AI is going to start replying to all the customer queries based on the knowledge base which you are going to upload. Now moving on towards the next step, this AI interface. So you can change the header name. So I'm going to write the header name as my store. So in this heading, my store will appear. So I'm going to keep it as my store. In the display or the subheading, I have this, we are online, happy to assist you. So I'm going to keep it as same. If you want to change, you can do that. In the initial message, hi there, how can I help you today? The AI is going to send this message, and you can also add one more message. The AI will reply according to the initial message which you have added. In the display powered by Pabbly, I'm going to keep it as enable, but if you want, you can disable this and it will be disabled from here. Then we have this footers text. So I have added a privacy policy and the link to this privacy policy. So you can add according to your choice and preference. Then we have this user first message. I have added I need help. This message will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from user. Now it is not necessary that whenever a user sends this I need help message, only then my AI is going to reply. It is going to get activated on any message, so it will reply to any message. Then moving on towards the next step, finally we have this styling. So over here I have selected the theme mode as light. If you want, you can change this, keep it as dark. Then we have this assistant shape. If you want, you can keep it as circle, square or rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle. Then we have this background color, text color, then the button color, bubble text color, footer text color, background color. You can change according to your choice and preference. We have this header profile picture. You can simply click on this cloud, and in the manner we uploaded the knowledge base, you can upload the header profile picture, assistant profile picture. You can change the background picture. Now over here we had done creating this AI agent. We just needed to add these 4 steps. After that, please make sure that you keep this toggle button on so that you keep this AI active. Then you have to save this. If you do not save this, all this will be lost. And then you can also embed this. So using this code, you can embed this code to your website, and then if someone click on that, they will be redirected towards this chat. Now we are going to learn how we can activate this AI agent to a particular chat. Now on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to open inbox. So this is my chat. So we were having conversation on this number only. Now to enable this AI assistant to a particular chat, you simply need to click on this choose AI assistant, toggle on this button and remove and select your AI assistant. And then you have to simply save this. In this manner, your AI assistant will be activated on a particular chat. But what if you want to activate this on many contacts? You cannot go to a particular contact and keep toggling on the button and choosing the AI assistant. So for that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards the settings and then click on this inbox settings. Here I have landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this enable AI auto reply. I'm going to first disable this so that I can show you how it can be done. And we have disabled this. Now we are going to enable this, and then I have created one list, and then we have all contacts. So in this one list, what I can do, you can create separate list, and then you can assign that AI assistant to separate list if you want. I'm going to keep it as e-commerce bot, and then you can add more rule. You can select all contacts. If you want to assign a particular AI assistant to all the contacts, you can select all contacts and assign AI assistant to all the contacts, and then you simply need to save this. And in this manner, the particular AI assistant which you have assigned will get activated on that particular chat or a contact or the list. Now we are going to check this once for the last time. I'm going to open my WhatsApp. So I'm going to write the message as my payment failed but money was detected. Please help me with this. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it is. I'm sorry to hear that if your payment failed but money was deducted, a refund will be auto-processed within 3 to 5 business days. If you don't see the return after that period, please let me know and I can assist you further. So yes, this chatbot is working fine. So we have successfully created this AI assistant to automate all our WhatsApp conversation. We simply need to select the AI instruction, upload the knowledge source, enter the assistant interface and enter some styling. And then you are done with creating this AI agent for your business. So we have successfully created this AI assistant for my e-commerce store. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.